Hello, I'm Alex Expo Media and we are in the Plumbex India Expo today. I am excited to be with you again. Let's go to see what we have today here. Hello, I'm Alex, Expo Media. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Krishna.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell us about your company, about your products? What do you present today in this exhibition?
Yeah. So SLOAN, as you see here, it's a company that was formed in 1906. It's almost a legacy of 118 years, and we are giants in the US. We set up our plant in India very recently, just about pre-COVID era. And last 3 years, we've been talking to the Indian stakeholders, Indian market, and expanding our manufacturing abilities in India. We have an R&D team and an engineering team also based in India, which works on the latest innovations that we want to explore and expand into the Indian market. Right. Also, in the future, the plan is that we make India as the regional hub for SLOAN, and we expand the business beyond India. Start exporting to various markets, right from Middle East to the Far East of the world.
Okay, and can you show us that's your products, what you present, and tell us about your some technical solutions?
Absolutely. Let's go there. So as you see here, SLOAN has always been known for a technology called the flushometer, right from 1906. The flushing has never been taken as a very important aspect because people, the architects, and a lot of people, just look at the aesthetics. But something that goes behind the wall is even more critical. And fortunately, the last few years, we have seen this part of the world also becoming very serious. The Western market does take that a lot more serious. Now, so flushometer, the thing that it does is it ensures a consistent outflow of water at any given condition, irrespective of the pressure, incoming pressure of the water, the conditions of the water, the salt levels, the COD, BOD content, treated water, anything that you talk about. It ensures that it has a consistent outflow of the water. It uses the incoming pressure, right? So when you talk about the flushing, we have two normally flushing systems. One is the tanks that are used, either the concealed cisterns or the exposed tanks. The other solution is, of course, the flushometer. India is a country which has been struggling with water, right? Water conservation is the biggest thing that we all talk about, sustainability of water, right? We are almost 16% of the world's population, but probably about 3% of the water resources. You must have heard that a lot of places. So we have to conserve water. So all the major cities in India have made treated water usage for flushing as mandatory. And that's where the conventional solutions like the tanks and the old flush valve systems started failing. They are not sustainable. That's where flushometer brings in the difference. It's compliant with the treated water. It's been tested against treated water of Indian conditions. India is a vast country, right? And in India, each state brings its own challenges for the water conditions. High salt levels varying from almost, and TDS varying almost from 600 to almost 1600 across the country.
Okay, that's behind we don't have some problem because we don't have tank, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Behind the wall, and that's we decided many problems what we can take if we have tank behind the wall, and we also that can save some water. That's more economical.
You choose the volume of the water. The system can be designed. You have a 4 liter, you have a 6 liter, you have a dual flush system with 2 and 4 combination.
We can combine some design, and we can decide how many liters we will use.
Yes, there's so many options that are possible. Okay. You don't store treated water inside your house. It leads to a lot of smell, a lot of bacterial growth, Legionella. This ensures that no such issues come in.
Okay, but if we decided some, for example, using that's 4 liters, that's will be same work good.
Yes, absolutely, everything is the same. There's a small part inside that changes. Rest of all remains the same. If you've noticed the design, that's our dual, that's our single. The way our engineers here in India work is they ensure that irrespective of the changes a customer wants in the future, near term or long term, you never need to break the wall, right? So as you see here, I have a dual single flush here. I have a dual flush right there. You've noticed that the size of the plates is similar. So someday someone wants to move from either of each, right, to the other one. He just needs to open the plate and then replace it with a new plate, and you're sorted. So you don't need to touch the wall ever, unlike any other cistern, where you have to break open the wall.
Okay, that's great. That's technical solution giving us that we can decide how many water we can use, but we can. That's a very great technology solution. That's you can.
It is a lot, and then maintenance is right across from the plate here. You don't need to go anywhere else to shut off the incoming water. You can do it right from here. You just open the plate, shut off the water, maintain it, repair it, whatever you want. and then restart it right here. It's very easy and a lifetime solution. As long as the building stays, the product stays without any problem.
Okay, and every time we can take same quality for
Yes, 100% tested in our factory. Every product that is packed is tested against water and air in our facility, not just random testing.
Very great. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you. Alex, Expo Media. What is your name?
Hi, I'm Sargun Singh.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell us about your company, about your products? What do you present today in this expo?
So this platform, Plumbex, we have got a chance to introduce Grundfos for the various applications for domestic water boosting. We have hydropneumatic systems. We are into all the innovative solutions which we can give to the market. So here we are presenting our hydropneumatic i5 system, which is a permanent magnet motor. And it has a lot of energy savings if we compare it to the i3 motor.
What is some new technologies maybe you do present here?
New technologies, we would be launching it tomorrow. So it's I'm not I cannot disclose it today, but tomorrow
I mean, some type, or maybe some type of water solution for sustainable future. Yeah.
it's all about the connectivity and the IoT functions which we would be giving a display tomorrow. And yeah, so it's mostly about the permanent magnet motors which we are into the market, and it's all related to the energy savings.
Okay, great. And where is your company basically from?
Our company is a Danish company, and in India we have two assembly units. One is in Chennai and the other one is in Ahmedabad.
Oh.
So all the products mostly are being imported and we assemble in India.
Great, thank you. Thank you. What is this system?
It's a single stack system. Single stack polypropylene system actually.
Okay, and what is technologies? What is the new something?
Actually, it's a polypropylene product. Polypropylene. It's a PP.
Okay, okay.
And it's a 1.9 density product, and it's a low noise pipe actually.
But why so?
And this is just a show. Actually, we are just
Okay,
showing you the
very
water
nice.
level over
Okay,
there.
so-
If we put
okay.
the whole pipe, this kind of pipe, this color white pipe, you have never seen the water
okay.
or this kind of
Okay, yeah, that's
explanation
for-
and display.
for presentation- for presentation.
display and the presentation.
Oh, but interesting solution, yeah.
It's a single stack system, and now we are introducing in the builder segment also in Noida, Delhi NCR. And we have cracked few products also, projects. So maybe this is the future of the new drainage system.
Okay, that's
That's a rubber, it's an EPDM. EPDM, not SBR.
Okay,
EPDM is
okay.
a longer run.
more long. That's time.
Long.
That's better quality, yeah.
Better quality.
Better quality.
And it's in a PP, so we know that PP will never break or is better than our PVC or the SWR pipes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
That's Indian company?
It's a Japanese company.
Japanese company. Okay. no.
But we have our factory office in India. We are 100% subsidiary.
Okay, already you
Japanese
have
company,
already you have factories here, yeah?
Yeah.
In which basically where?
We are into 2 states.
Okay.
One are Gujarat, another one is Haryana.
Oh, nice. And what is technology you present? That's
This is the packaged sewage treatment plant made up of FRP. So in a single tank, all the treatment will come with a different chamber. So
Okay,
it's
okay.
Like a play type, there will be inlet, there will be outlet. So this can be installed above the ground, under the ground.
oh, okay. That's underground
And,
tent. Yeah.
and the main advantage is to have operational wise the power consumption will be very less, and you need not to deploy any full-time operator to operate. This is the
Okay. That's some with some clean system. That's yeah.
This is the inlet chamber where you get the sewage water.
Okay. Multiple.
Cleaning.
Yeah. That's why I'm asking. That's how that's water. That's coming water coming and come here and three months to change and cleaning. Okay. That's yeah.
So finally you will get the treated water outside from here.
Okay.
It's
And
a
it's, yeah.
simple system for domestic sewage water treatment plants.
DI system, and inside there is no use of the any membrane type of the technology. This is the anode and cathode slot technology.
That's for water production or for what? Smart water.
Yeah, water production. Actually, we take the raw water, and it's up to TDS is the 7,000 TDS. It will take, and it will 5-stage purification system without membrane. In the RO technology, there will be one problem for the wastage of the water. In RO, huge water wastage. In this technology, there is no wastage of water. Only 10% wastage of
Okay,
water.
you're not wasting water.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good.
Right now, this is a demo product.
Okay, demo. I got it. Thank you.
Thanks for your
I'm Alex, Expo Media. What is your name?
My name is Kushal Bhala.
Nice to meet you. Could you tell us about your company and what do you present today in this exhibition?
So my company's name is DRP Group of Companies, and we have five. Can I hold it? Okay. So we have five specialized units. Each specialized unit is segregated for making in a good product. So the first unit is DRP Metalworks, which specializes in gunmetal walls. The second unit is Welspun World Private Limited, which specializes in CI, cast iron and cast steel industrial walls.
Okay, great. And where basically you're from, your company from?
So my company originated from Jalandhar, Punjab itself. My grandfather started the company in 1976. So the legacy continues, and we have developed since now we have developed five specialized units.
Oh, 1976. Yeah.
Since from 1976.
Oh, 1976. Okay. And how is your experience in this exhibition? I think you're not first time.
It's my first time ever.
First time. Okay.
It's my first time ever. We have ever participated in the exhibition. So, but the response is good and the footfall is very good.
Okay. I hope you will find some customers and some partners here.
We already got many customers here.
Oh, already got. Already got. That's great. That's great. Yeah.
That's a good option. Yeah.
Expo working. Yeah.
We have so many product range here. Like we have walls and pipe fittings. So a good footfall is here, and we already are getting good responses.
And in your company all supplies that's make in India. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. Every product we manufacture is made in India.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Make in India. I'm Alex, Expo Media. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Yash. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And can you explain us about your company? What do you present today?
Yeah, sure. So right now we're representing Syntex. Syntex is a company that was acquired by Welspun about 2 years back. So Syntex, what we say is Syntex has a legacy of 50 years, but now after acquisition we call it Syntex 2.0, where we take a company which has 50 years of legacy and we treat it like a startup. Why a startup is because now this company has to grow aggressively, and we're targeting very aggressive numbers in the next 5-7 years.
Okay, great. And what do new technologies you present in this exhibition?
Sure. So in our group, to highlight, we are a group of $5 billion group, and we have 4 major companies. All 4 companies are either number 1 or number 2 globally in their fields. So textiles, we are the largest home textile company in the world. We have warehouses bigger than Amazon in the US. So that is the field. What we have realized how to grow businesses 1 and 2 is through pure innovation and technology. So when we come to Syntex, we realize that there is a lot of localization happens, which means that we are taking technologies from the rest of the world and bringing it to India. That is not how Welspun and Syntex will operate. We believe in pure innovation. We believe innovation that we innovate in India. So
we also invest to innovate, to research something in new technologies in India.
So one thing I'll tell you about Syntex, before we opened our first plant, our R&D center was opened before our plant. That was the first investments we did when we acquired this company.
Great.
So here I want to showcase our new pipe, which is called the Syntex Hot-X pipe. It is a pure innovation.
That's type of pipe.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So it is the first CPVC pipe to have pure antimicrobial features. People talk about low bacteria. We're talking about antimicrobial. Antimicrobial covers the anti-algae, antiviral, fungal, and antibacterial.
Okay.
So this is a pure innovation. It's the first one in India. 99% sure can say
that's very important for health.
So, and one more thing we talk about in building materials, the category says it's purely on strength. So everyone will talk about how strong is your cement, how strong is your pipe.
Yeah.
But what is the key use of pipe is to transport water to you.
Yeah.
Water you shower with, you brush your teeth, you wash your vegetables, feed your dog. The health is important of the water.
Yes. Yeah, you're right. That's.
So we're bringing the correct angle into pipes. We're not talking about the strength of the pipe. We have strength. Our water tanks have been out in the industry for 30 plus years, and you'll see water tanks of ours for 30 years out in the open. The element of pipes is not to talk about durability, but to talk about how safe is it keeping your water, how clean is your water when you utilize your water. We have, if I can be honest and say, we have these water treatment systems in our house, right? For drinking purposes. But that's only 5% of the water we consume a day. 95% of the water we don't treat. So we have to focus on these health aspects.
You're focusing on this. Okay, great. And how is your experience in this exhibition? Do you find some partners, customers?
Absolutely. So this is one of the first times we as a group have come. I think it's very interesting exhibition. I think we get to showcase what the industry has, and it's a good trademark where you can set yourself where you stand compared to the rest of the industry. It's a great platform to showcase new products, the concept of your company.
Yeah, you can showcase your product. You can see some product from another company. Yeah, some technologies may be interesting. Yeah,
absolutely. It's a great platform to have and be a part of. We'll definitely be part of it for the foreseeable future.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Alex, Expo Media, what is your name?
Akash.yadav.
Nice to meet you. Could you tell us about your company? What do you present today?
Yeah, this is akash.yadav. I'm country manager from Raccorderie Metalliche. Globally, people know us as RM or RecMet. So we are Italian producer. We produce stainless steel, copper and cupronickel and carbon steel press fitting systems used for various applications, such as for domestic applications and urban and marine, like compressed air, chilled water, potable water, and for other naval applications.
Okay, that's company from Italy, right?
Yes, it
Yes.
is.
Okay, and how's your experience in this exhibition?
We are very happy to be part of Plumbex. It's our second time we are exhibiting in Plumbex. Last year we were in Mumbai as a sponsor, and this time again we are one of the renowned sponsor, and we are very happy. There are various clientele level visiting here, such as MEP consultants, architect, interior designers. So
That's great, and that's how's your? Do you find some customers, some business partners here?
yes, there were a lot of, like I said, potential clients who visited us. It's the first day, and it's all busy. I'm just saw the time, and it's just going to end, and but doesn't feel like, yeah. So, but it is nice and nice good football. Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you and your company here in this exhibition. Thank you so
very
much. Thank you. meet you. What do you present today?
Today we are going to present submersible pumps, sewage,
Okay.
wastewater dewatering applications, especially for drainage, for municipal corporations,
Oh, municipal,
for
okay,
building
okay.
segment, for OEM business.
Okay, for anybody.
Yeah.
For anybody. And your company from Taiwan?
Yeah, basically from
Taiwan,
Taiwan.
I see.
Our headquarters located in Taiwan, Pingtung, in south part.
Okay, in South Park, Taiwan. Okay, do you have any factories in India or maybe in future plans?
Yeah, we do have office here in India.
Office.
In Pune,
Okay, you.
Pune.
Okay, do you have an office and you?
Own office.
Okay.
HCP office.
And you selling products?
Yeah, we import
Okay.
100%
Import
from there.
Okay.
We do the stocking there in Pune, and then we distribute to Pan India.
How is your experience in this exhibition?
This exhibition since last 3 years we are doing.
Oh,
It's
3
quite,
years, okay.
Quite very good experience. Yeah,
Okay.
every exhibition I got the orders from.
You met some customers
Yes,
here,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Oh, that's
Because
great.
mostly here this exhibition is particularly for plumbing and sanitation.
Yeah. That's
And
specialized.
most of
Yeah.
the target client is like a MEP consultant. Because if they give us approval, then definitely we'll push our product.
Okay.
So that's why we are looking for more and more approvals for particular segments like building segments, plumbing and all this.
Yeah, building sector also
yeah,
that's very perspective sector. Yeah. Okay.
For that applications, like we do have very good products like booster systems. This systems. This system is 100% imported from Taiwan, designed by
Okay.
HCP. And this system comes with robotized welding. This is no one given in India. Even
Okay, this-
no one is giving this kind of welding in India. But this is our majorly we are focusing this.
That's some
along with the
special
i3.
technologies,
Yes.
from
This
that.
is
Okay.
SS316, complete SS316.
Yeah, that's,
You can
yeah,
scratch
okay,
it.
Yeah, I
Will
can
not
see. I
remove
can see
it.
quality.
This is not polish.
Yeah. That's I can see like this. It's
So
quality
this is,
good.
come with i3 motor. I also have a system with i5 VFD mounted. Yes. And another pump we are launching like single pump 1000 meter.
Oh, okay. Wow.
No one has this kind of
Okay.
single pump in this type of pumps.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you. so much.
Nice
What
to
about
meet you.
I want to
We are completed our day at the Plumbex India Expo. I am Alex, Expo Media. Subscribe our channel and let's meet next time.